Why do humans hate hearing their own voices? It's a question that's puzzled many of us at some point in our lives. Today we're diving deep into the human brain to unravel the mysteries behind this intriguing phenomenon. So, grab your headphones and join us on this fascinating journey. Our journey begins with that awkward moment when you first hear your recorded voice. You might wonder, do I really sound like that? Well, it turns out you do. The shock usually comes from the difference between how we perceive our voice internally and how it sounds when played back to us. To understand this better, let's explore how the brain perceives our voice. When we speak, sound waves travel through the air and enter our ears. However, some of these sound waves also travel through the bones of our skull directly to our inner ear. This dual pathway creates two ways our brain processes our voice: the way others hear it and the way we hear it inside our heads. Now, why do we tend to dislike the version of our voice that others hear? Well, part of it is familiarity. We hear our internal voice, the one inside our heads, much more frequently than the external version. Our brains get accustomed to the sound of our internal voice, making it sound right to us. When we hear the external voice, it sounds foreign and uncomfortable. Another reason behind this discomfort might be the uncanny valley effect. This theory suggests that when our external voice doesn't match our internal voice, it creates a sense of unease. It's like seeing a lifelike robot that's almost human, but not quite. So can we ever come to terms with the sound of our own voices? Experts recommend listening to your voice recordings regularly, so your brain becomes more accustomed to it. Over time, this can help reduce the discomfort. Now, here's an interesting fact to ponder. Did you know that the actor Morgan Freeman once mentioned that he couldn't stand the sound of his own voice? Even the legendary voice of God himself had to grapple with this common human experience. And there you have it, the science and psychology behind why humans hate hearing their own voices. We hope this journey through the intricacies of our perception has shed some light on this unique phenomenon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-boggling insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
If I wasn't caught in that snare, I'd kill you.
If you stay in that snare, you'll die.
Oh, the fox is back. Do you think he's coming with us?
Oh, I do hope so.
Maybe he's lost too.
But I think everyone feels a bit lost sometimes. I know I do.
The fox never really speaks.
No. And it's lovely he's with us. To be honest, I often feel I've got nothing interesting